Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
The length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of the circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So, here is drawn a circle with the center O, and A is an external point. AP is the tangent. In the question, it is given length of the tangent is 4 cm. So, here we marked AP 4 cm. Again given distance from the center is 5 cm. That means AO is 5 cm. We need to find out the radius, that is OP. We know OP is the radius and AP is the tangent. So this angle P is 90 degree and this triangle OPA is a right triangle. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem in that triangle. So we get hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. That is 5 square equal to 4 square plus height square. 25 equal to 16 plus height square. Let us change the sides. We get 16 plus height square equal to 25. Height square equal to 25 minus 16. That is height square equal to 9. Height equal to root of 9, that is equal to 3 cm. So here we have taken height is the radius. So we can conclude therefore radius of the circle is 3 cm. One more question. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 cm and 3 cm. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So here I have drawn concentric circles. What is meant by concentric circles? Circles with the same center. So here I have drawn two circles. Both circles have a same center, that is O. One circle is with radius 3 cm and other one is with radius 5 cm. I have marked OA is the radius of first circle with the radius 3 cm. OB is the radius of second circle with measurement 5 cm. We need to find out the length of the chord of the larger circle. Here I have drawn the chord of the larger circle, that is BC, which touches the smaller circle at A. Since it touches the smaller circle at A, that BC or simply BA is a tangent. So we can write AB is a tangent. So angle OAB equal to 90 degree because OA is the radius and AB is the tangent. So there is forming a right angle. So that triangle OAB is a right triangle. We can apply the Pythagoras theorem in triangle OAB. In right triangle OAB, hypotenuse square equal to base square plus height square. That is 5 square equal to base square plus 3 square. 25 equal to base square plus 9. Let us change the sides. We get base square plus 9 equal to 25. Base square equal to 25 minus 9. That is base square equal to 16. Base equal to root of 16 equal to 4 centimeter. So we got base is 4 centimeter. That means AB is 4 centimeter. We need to find out the length of BC. Here OA is the perpendicular, and we have studied perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. So this BC is the chord and AB is the half of the chord. So we can write BC equal to 2 into AB. That is equal to 2 into 4 equal to 8 centimeter.
Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt,